Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a crucial topic to discuss: student loans and repayment options. If you're a student or recent graduate, you're probably well aware of the challenges that come with managing student debt. In this video, we're going to provide you with the top 10 tips to help you navigate the complex world of student loans, from understanding your options to finding ways to save money and repay your loans more efficiently. So, without further ado, let's begin. Number 1. Understand your loan types. Our first tip is to understand your loan types. There are different types of student loans, such as federal and private loans, each with its own terms and conditions. Federal loans often offer more borrower-friendly features, like income-driven repayment plans and loan forgiveness programs. Private loans, on the other hand, are typically less flexible and come with higher interest rates. Take the time to research and fully comprehend the terms of your loans. Knowing the interest rates, repayment schedules, and any available benefits will help you make informed decisions throughout your student loan journey. Number 2. Create a budget. Budgeting is key to successful financial management, especially when dealing with student loans. Create a detailed budget that outlines your income, expenses, and loan payments. This will give you a clear picture of your financial situation and help you allocate funds effectively. Consider using budgeting apps or tools to make the process easier. By sticking to a budget, you can avoid overspending, ensure your loan payments are made on time, and even find opportunities to allocate extra funds towards paying down your debt faster. Number 3. Explore income-driven repayment plans. Income-driven repayment plans are a lifeline for many borrowers struggling with student loan payments. These plans adjust your monthly payments based on your income and family size, making them more manageable. Federal loan borrowers can explore options like income-based repayment, pay-as-you-earn, or revised pay-as-you-earn. By enrolling in one of these plans, you can significantly lower your monthly payments, freeing up funds for other financial goals. Number 4. Utilize loan forgiveness programs. Loan forgiveness programs are a beacon of hope for those with substantial student loan debt. Depending on your career path, you may be eligible for loan forgiveness through programs like public service loan forgiveness or teacher loan forgiveness. PSLF, for example, forgives federal loan balances for individuals who work in qualifying public service jobs and make 120 qualifying payments. Understanding the requirements and deadlines for these programs is essential to take full advantage of them. Number 5. Explore loan consolidation. Loan consolidation can simplify your loan repayment by combining multiple federal loans into one, often with a lower interest rate. This can make it easier to manage your loans and potentially lower your monthly payments. However, be cautious when consolidating, especially if you have federal loans with benefits like forgiveness or income-driven repayment plans. Consolidating those loans can lead to the loss of these advantages. So, weigh the pros and cons carefully before consolidating. Number 6. Make extra payments when possible. Our next tip is to make extra payments when you can. Whenever you have some extra money, consider putting it towards your student loans. Even small additional payments can make a big difference in reducing the overall interest you'll pay and shortening your repayment term. By making consistent extra payments, you'll chip away at your principal balance faster, helping you become debt-free more quickly. Just be sure to communicate with your loan servicer to ensure that your additional payments are applied correctly. Number 7. Keep an eye on interest rates. Interest rates are a crucial factor in the cost of your student loans. Whether you have federal or private loans, it's essential to keep a watchful eye on interest rates, as they can significantly impact your repayment strategy. Federal student loans typically have fixed interest rates, which means they remain the same throughout the life of the loan. This stability can be an advantage, as you'll always know what your monthly payment will be. On the other hand, some borrowers with private loans may have variable interest rates that can change over time. Fluctuating interest rates can lead to variations in your monthly payments, potentially making it more challenging to budget. If you have variable interest rates, it's worth considering refinancing your loans to secure a fixed, lower interest rate. Refinancing can save you money over the life of your loans, but it's essential to carefully evaluate the terms and conditions to ensure it's a financially beneficial decision. By staying informed about interest rates and exploring refinancing options when appropriate, you can take steps to minimize the long-term cost of your student loans and achieve financial freedom sooner. Number 8. Stay informed about grace periods. Understanding your grace period is critical when it comes to managing student loans. This period typically provides a little breathing room after you graduate or leave school before your loan payments kick in. However, grace periods can vary depending on the type of loan and the lender. During this grace period, it's essential to stay informed about when your first payment is due. Some loans have a grace period of 6 months, while others might offer shorter or longer periods. Missing the deadline for your first payment can result in late fees and potentially damage your credit score. One smart strategy is to use this grace period wisely. If you have the financial means, consider making interest payments during this time. Doing so prevents interest from capitalizing, which can save you money in the long run. So, remember to mark your calendar and be prepared when your grace period ends. Number 9. Take advantage of tax benefits. Now, let's talk about a financial silver lining tax benefits related to student loans. You may be eligible for tax deductions and credits that can help ease the financial burden of your loans. One significant tax benefit is the student loan interest deduction. It allows you to deduct up to $2,000 of the interest paid on your student loans from your taxable income. This can result in a lower overall tax liability. Another valuable credit is the American Opportunity Credit, which provides up to $2,000 per year for qualified education expenses. And if you're pursuing higher education, don't forget to explore the Lifetime Learning Credit, which can provide additional tax savings. These tax benefits can put money back in your pocket, so be sure to consult a tax professional or use tax software to maximize your savings when filing your taxes. Number 10. Seek financial counseling. Last but certainly not least, consider seeking financial counseling as a valuable resource in managing your student loans. Navigating the complex world of student debt can be overwhelming, and a financial counselor can provide expert guidance tailored to your unique situation. Financial counselors can help you create a personalized plan for managing your loans and achieving your financial goals. They can assist with budgeting, loan consolidation, and exploring repayment options, including income-driven plans and loan forgiveness programs. Additionally, they can offer advice on building a solid financial foundation, including strategies for saving, investing, and achieving financial security beyond your student loans. Whether you're feeling lost in a sea of debt or simply want to make informed financial decisions, don't hesitate to reach out to a reputable financial counselor or advisor. Investing in professional guidance can be a wise step towards securing your financial future. Managing student debt can be challenging, but with the right knowledge and strategies, you can take control of your financial future. Remember that everyone's financial situation is unique, so it's essential to tailor these tips to your specific needs and goals. Whether you're currently in school or already repaying your loans, taking proactive steps to manage your student debt can pave the way for a brighter financial future. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who may benefit from these tips. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable financial advice. Thanks for watching.